Letter H.
Letter H.
Letter H.
Letter H.
Letter H.
Horse. Horse. As in horse is the sound of H. As in horse is the sound of H.
Children, this is Harry the horse.
I am a brown horse. Nee, nee. I can gallop. I like to eat hay.
Who likes to eat hay? Harry likes to eat hay. Who can gallop? Harry can gallop. Horse. Horse. Brown. Brown. Gallop. Gallop.
Harry is a horse, let's ride on Harry. Here we go, gallop, gallop, gallop. Harry is a horse, let's ride on Harry. Here we go, gallop, gallop, gallop. I like to run. I like to gallop. I can gallop fast. I can gallop slow.
Where can Harry run? In the field. On the ranch. Brown horse. Black horse. One horse. Two horses. Three horses. Four horses. Brown horse. Black horse. One horse. Two horses. Three horses. Four horses. This is a horse. It can run. It can gallop. It likes to eat hay. This is
I am Harry the horse. I have 4 legs. I can gallop. How many legs do you have? Can you gallop?
Letter H.
Horse. Horse. Horse.